Mountain gorillas are large, gentle primates that live in the mountains of Central Africa. They have a distinctive black fur coat and are known for their strength. Mountain gorillas are herbivores, mainly eating plants, leaves, and fruits. They live in tight-knit social groups called troops, led by a dominant silverback male. These gorillas are critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts have helped increase their numbers, but they still face challenges. Mountain gorillas are a precious part of our natural heritage, and protecting their habitats is crucial for their survival.